Everyone, welcome for today's video. I am Devendra Mato welcoming you to visit my YouTube channel. In today's video we're gonna try to discuss about the topic how to manage your time. This was a very much important conversation because how to manage your time was very much important. For example, a student who want to create as a becoming to be a content creator or becoming to be the getting many more skills, how to manage your time to get that skill. So that this was a very important session to consume it. The video duration was not too much not more than 5 minutes, but the timing that I have and the words or the lesson that I have thought was very much grateful, very much important. So that the this was the introduction. First of all, the thing that I have to tell you that what is the time management. The type of work or the any of the work that you wanted to do in every day or in the time interval that you have to be given, so that how to manage your time, manage your times. So that this was the very much important skills. So to adopting these skills you have to get some information about that. To managing the skills or to managing the time, you have to first of all find out the what type of work or for where to spend your time. So for where you will how to and how much time that you wanted to share, so that you can manage your time. And as according to the another time, the another session, and the much more time will be saved to do the many more spending the skills or many more time spending to the another skills. So that this was the things. And another thing that the first of all find, let's suppose that a person who wanted to do the graphic designing, another the you maintaining the YouTube channel, also the maintaining his physical health, also to read a book, also to do the work or to learn study or do the studies to becoming to be the way for preparation examination, lots of things. So that how can a person manage his life to do or edit the videos, edit the thumbnail, and content writing, every very much lots of thing. So that to managing the timing, this was the very much important skill for you. To manage your time you have to just focusing upon yourself that where could I have to spend my time and how much time I have to spend. So let's suppose an example from myself that I was an just a 12th pass student and passing into third year of BSc, sorry, in third semester of the BSc, and second year in my BSc or graduation. So that I was performing my graduation degree and I have studied also. I read the books such as Atomic Habit and lots of many books that I have studied. And after that I do my workout or important exercises that in the morning. Also I maintaining my YouTube channel for uploading regular videos or for a basic English communication to regularly to improve myself, improving my daily habits to build up my English communication skills or other skills that we have to be get it. So that becoming to be fluent in English or becoming to be managing the all of the time. So that I find myself that I have to spend my time onto the online field, so that I improve my communication skills. The first of all thing is that I have to make my communication skill to be very much important, very much first priority. So that this thing, second thing is to make the best perfect thumbnail for the thumbnail revisions, making the best thumbnail by doing the lots of mistakes and many more things. Third thing is that doing the third thing is very much important, that making the videos, the ideas that we get it from it. Fourth thing is that read a book regularly, that will improve the mental health of a person, or mentally becoming to be the strength person. Because for normal person to becoming to be the high thinking person, a book will help you to reach this place. So that I read the book. And another thing is that the exercise, the physical health also matter. For example, if you earn crores of the money but you have spent all of the money for your health, this will be paying very much lesser for yourself, so that for also earn less, but do the give the priority for your first the for the your body. So that this was also important. My first five priority, that's to maintain the YouTube channel, sorry, to for the English conversation that I have made, and to becoming to be fluent in English regularly, and become very much clear into the English communication. Second thing, to better my thumbnails, that how thumbnails. And the third thing is that how to manage my YouTube channel. Fourth thing is to do the exercises. Fifth thing is to read the book. And this was the all important thing. And how, and after the time I have make a date timing or planning, that in the morning or in the evening I shoot my videos for English communication. And after the time in the evening I read a book for Atomic Habit, or any of the book that I have in myself. Read the books and getting some information from this. And after going and learn my graduation syllabus that I have for my book. And the third important thing is that for exercise, I in the morning I go for an exercise. And also for in morning wake up in early morning, I in for my fresh mindset, I will edit the thumbnails to be very much innovative, get inspiration from very much places, and doing the very much excellence in the skills. So that this was the how my daily habits will be performing, and how I improve myself day by day. Or first of all, the five habits that I have shown, that I never miss these skills. For example, from few days you have seen that 1 to 2 days have to be gap for the uploading the videos, because of no availability of data. But I always try to speak in English in every day for more than 10 minutes, so that this will be helping you to how to be consistent. And also say that for managing time, you have to becoming to be so much consistent. Because let's suppose that your consistency video will be coming soon in another video. For making this video, we have to be just to wait for till some days. And how to become consistent will be the other video. And this is for today's video. Thank you for all of you for watching this video. Bye bye.